In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an existing vendor inactive or delete them from your QuickBooks Online account, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Managing your vendor list effectively can help streamline your accounting practices and support better organization within your financial records. Let's jump right in and get started on this simple yet essential task. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. This is your starting point, so go ahead and click on Sign In to access your account. It's crucial that you're logged into the correct account that contains the vendor information you need to manage. Once you're signed in, you'll need to select QuickBooks Online from your list of available options. This will take you into the QuickBooks system where we can start making the necessary adjustments to your vendor list. It's a straightforward process, but as always, be sure to enter your credentials carefully. Now type in your username and password, then click continue. If you don't have them on hand, take a moment to retrieve your login details. It's essential that you have the right credentials so you can complete this process smoothly without any hiccups. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation menu. You're going to click on Expenses. This section houses everything related to what you owe, what you have bought, and of course your vendor list. It's your gateway to handling vendor accounts, so let's enter that section. Once inside, you'll find an option labeled Vendors. Clicking this will take you to a detailed list of all your existing vendors. This is where all the magic happens, so ensure you're on the right page before proceeding. Looking at the right side of the vendors page, you'll notice a small drop down arrow for each vendor. Click on this small drop down arrow next to the vendor you want to make inactive. This drop down menu is packed with options that give you control over how you manage each vendor. Now from the drop down you can see the Make Inactive option. Go ahead and click on Make Inactive. Making a vendor inactive is a smart way to keep them in your records without cluttering up your active vendor lists, which helps maintain a clean database. Finally, you'll see a prompt asking for confirmation. Simply click Yes, Make Inactive to confirm your decision. And there you have it, the vendor is now inactive. With just these simple steps, you've successfully tidied up your vendor list and kept your QuickBooks account perfectly organized. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Managing your vendors has never been easier, so keep practicing and you'll become a pro in no time.